You want to move abroad but don't know how? Stay tuned. I'm Sean, Queen of DC, full-time solo traveler. On this channel, I post my travel tips and adventures from around the world. If that's your vibe, subscribe. I'm excited to announce the release of my new ebook, How to Move Abroad, a practical guide, available on queenofdc.com. Link in the description box below. But let me tell you more. This guide is your roadmap to freedom, whether you're dreaming, planning, or ready to take the leap. You'll gain the clarity, confidence, and practical steps to make your move abroad a reality. Let me give you a little backstory. After 30 years of living in Washington, D.C., I sold everything, quit my job to travel the world full time. I've been living in Southeast Asia for over 2 years now, and it's been a wonderful journey, and I have no regrets. None. It's been amazing. People always ask me, how are you able to move abroad? How are you living? Because you're not working. By nature, I'm a planner. By expertise, I'm a writer. As a writer, you need structure. Everything needs structure. So my life is structured. I knew I wanted to live this life, so I had to design the life I wanted to live. And that's what that plan I put in place was designed to do, because I quit my job. I don't have a job. I don't get a monthly check. I'm living off my savings. So that means I have to manage my money really well. And I had to plan to do this, okay? As a writer, I wrote it down step by step in my How to Move Abroad guide. This is the exact plan I used. Now I help others plan their journeys, escape the rat race, and build a soft, safe, and peaceful life abroad. Through my Pick My Brain sessions, I've guided clients as they navigate their move and design the life they want to live. I created this guide because I know firsthand how overwhelming it can feel to move all these pieces in your life that has been steady, erratic, stressful, but steady. I wanted to give you a clear, step-by-step way to make it happen, because there's a structure that has to be in place. And if you, like me, plan and you follow this structure, baby, yeah, you may do it with fear, but you will have more confidence, more conviction in yourself. Your resolve will be strengthened that you are doing the right thing. All you need is a good plan, a good solid plan with structure. That's it. Okay, Sean, so what's inside this How to Move Abroad, a practical guide? Let me tell you. Comprehensive checklist, step-by-step list to keep every part of your move organized and stress-free. Smart planning strategies, learn key factors to consider before choosing your destination and planning your budget. Curated guides, prompts, tips to help you make informed decisions with confidence. Practical tools and resources. Here's the part I really want you to know. This is the exact same plan I used to plan my own exit. It's not theory, it's the system I followed to leave DC, move abroad, and build this wonderful new life. If it worked for me, it can work for you too. But you have to see the plan. Something you have to see. You can't keep picking stuff out your head. being in your own way. You have to see it. It has to be in print on paper. Whether you use my guide, whether you write it out, it has to be written out. You have to see it. Okay? Coming from a writer. I actually have a video on how I move abroad and the plan I use, a 6-step plan. I put that in the guide as well. And that's what I used to get myself together. That was part of the plan of getting myself together, eliminating debt, creating my exit strategy so that I'm out of here. I gave myself 2 years. Might not take that long for you, but we had a pandemic going on. And I knew after that pandemic was over, I was out, worked out to the T. So I did the 6-step plan along with these other things that are included in the guide. I also wrote this book to let you know you're on the right path. We're surrounded by people who we think may understand what we're doing, but they don't. And you may feel some pushback, some, girl, are you crazy? honey, what are you thinking? You may go through all of that, and it comes from sometimes the people closest to you. That's a part of their own fear they're placing on you. They've never experienced this life before, so it's hard to ask them. I came to terms with that a long time ago when I first quit my job. That some people just don't understand what you're doing. I'm not asking your permission. If they can't pour into you in a productive way, as productive or insightful questions that don't make you feel like you have to persuade them, don't talk with them. And it's nothing against them. They just haven't been there, so they don't know. Tell people on a need-to-know basis. That's what I do on a need-to-know basis. You're doing the right thing. You got this roadmap. You have the structure and your plan, and you're doing the right thing. You're on the right path. And you have the resources here in this guide to help you along the way. If people don't understand your journey or your vision, it's okay. Don't discuss it with them. That will be a challenge in this process. But once you leave, once they see you living your best life, that you had the courage and were brave enough to move, make a new life for yourself, you become the inspiration. You are the person they look up to and want to be like, want to follow your path. And they'll be asking you, how did you do what you did? How did you move abroad? What are the things that you've done? How did you put that in place? That's just the cycle of it. Don't let that get you down. Just know who you can and can't talk to. All right. We know the purpose of the How to Move Abroad, a practical guide, what's inside the guide. But Sean, who is the guide for? Let me tell you. This guide is designed for 3 types of people. Number 1, the dreamer, just starting out. You know you want to move abroad, but you're stuck at the beginning. This guide shows you exactly where to start, so you can turn your dream into a real plan. Number 2, the planner, ready but overwhelmed. You've saved money and done your research, but the steps still feel unclear. This guide gives you a structured step-by-step approach so you can move forward without wasting time or energy. Number 3 is the doer, all set, needs fine-tuning. You've built your plans, you've set your timeline, but you want to double check the details. This guide is a complete checklist, and it's even more powerful paired with the Pick My Brain session where we review your logistics. I'll answer your burning questions, giving you full confidence before you go. I've had equal amount of clients in each category. The ones who want to move, don't know where to start, so they call me and they say, hey, I want to put a plan in place. It may not be for another year, another 6 months. I just want to start the process. I work with them. I get a lot of people who are, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go now. I'm willing to do what it takes to get out of here. That urgent. I work with them, put things in place. It might be a more expedited situation, but it can be done, and we've done it. The doer has everything mapped out, but they don't know what they don't know. They've never been to Southeast Asia. They've never been to Vietnam. They've never been to Malaysia. They don't know, does this logistically make sense for what I want to do? What happens is it opens up their questions, open up a whole new avenue that they never thought about. And so their plan is good. It's not bad. It's not wrong. They discover a better way to plan, which improves their plan and makes it easier, more efficient for them. We work out those logistics. I answer those questions, and a light bulb. Every time a light bulb goes off in each of my clients, and they're comfortable and confident that this is the right move. And I don't just work with people who move into Vietnam or Southeast Asia. That's my specialty, of course, but plan. These are just structural things that need to be in place wherever you move. You're going to ask the same questions no matter where you move, and the process is going to be the same. Of course, it's different regions require different things. The structure and the plan are in place to get the outcome that you desire. No matter where you are in the process, dreaming, planning, packing, this guide meets you where you are and gives you the next step. If you're looking for the best restaurants and things to do, this is not the guide for you. This guide is about the foundation, making sure your move is possible, organized, and sustainable. We got things to do, honey. You got to make this move, put this plan in place. You worry about where to eat when you get there, okay? That's sweating the small stuff. You big dog now. You running with the big dogs. You got to plan that move, and once you move, okay, you figure all that out later. So where can you grab your copy? How to Move Abroad, a practical guide, is available now on my queenofdc.com website under digital guides. I'll drop a link in the description box below to make it easy for you to find. And remember, if you want additional support, you can always book a Pick My Brain session with me. I'm so proud of this book because I know it's going to change lives. If moving abroad is something you've been dreaming about, this is a sign. It's possible. And now you have a clear way forward. So grab your copy today, come back, leave a comment, and tell me where you're thinking about moving. I'd love to hear your plans. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's been talking about moving abroad. Hit that bell for notification of new videos. Until next time, y'all, peace.